Hey guys, it's David here. There's a big hive or swarm or whatever you call it of bees in a tree right behind my job site at this job site next to mine. So we're going to walk over there and see what we can get into. Come on. There's a beehive in a tree right next to my job site. It's really cool to see them when they're not in a hive or in a house or some kind of a container. Really neat watching them communicate, flapping their wings. I think the queen is somewhere in this area. It seems to be where the most in and out traffic is going. They don't seem to mind me being here, but they don't seem very happy sometimes. Look at that one over there freaking out. Oh, several of them are. You think they're freaking out because of me? See them doing that? That is so cool. Been here a while. I haven't seen him do that yet. So that's something new. Wonder what he's saying. Oh, they're doing it up here too. I hope that's not the hey, everybody go bite the dude in the black hard hat dance. Look at them. They're all starting to do it. I'm starting to get scared. It would be really cool if they all took off flying all of a sudden. But I gotta go back to work, so anyway. So that's the big adventure today. Honeybee swarm in tree next to job site. Hashtag. Alright, well, I was standing here talking to my neighbor at the job site, and the bees are all starting to swarm. So the swarm is leaving. I can see it going. I'm assuming they're not going to bite me. A few stragglers. I don't know if you can see it. Wow. Well, they're going to Dunkin' Donuts. I hope this video is turning out. There they go. Well, they just left. It was pretty exciting. You can see they left some material, something behind. I don't know if that's going to show up in the video. Yeah, watching the thousands of bees all detach and fly off at once was pretty cool. A little bit of residue or something left behind. Still a couple of stragglers coming by looking for the nest. Well, Stephanie conned me into doing the dishes so she would cut my bee video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you think. I know I enjoyed doing all these dishes.